Wow! My favorite superhero has entered! She is very powerful!
What did you say, Akshit? Say it again.
She is very powerful.
Yes, Akshit, but you should use he instead of she because we use he for a male character.
Oh, I see. But Janvi, I always get confused between him and her.
No problem, Akshit. I will help you in understanding this. Let's go to my room. I have a book on this topic. Let's explore. Akshit, look at this book. You see the picture of a lion and a lioness?
Which one is he and which one is she?
He is used for a boy or a male animal, like the lion. And she is used for a girl or a female animal, like the lioness.
Oh, so he is for boys.
Akshit, let's talk about our class pets. The turtle is a boy, so we say he.
And the bunny is a girl, so we say she.
Exactly. He will be the turtle and she will be the bunny.
Oh, this is our family picture.
Yes, Akshit. Look at this photo. Who is this?
That's my brother. He's playing soccer.
And who is this?
That's my sister. She is reading a book.
Right. He will be used for your brother and she will be used for your sister. Akshit, do you feel more confident about he and she now?
Yes, Janvi. Thanks for explaining. Now I understand better.
You're welcome, Akshit. Learning together is fun, isn't it?
Yes, Janvi, it is.